Hi, I'm Gigi. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to purchase the official Genshin Impact merch from Taobao website, and I'll also be sharing some of the other sites that retail official Genshin Impact merch. So before I start, I'd like to say thank you again to all who have subscribed and watched my videos. I really appreciate your support. And okay, let's get to it. So this is the official TMall website, and the link is in the description below, so you can just click below to access the page. Okay, so when you arrive on the page, you will see everything is in Chinese, so don't worry, I will walk you through this page. So on the header, you can see they have the various items that are on sale. So these are listed accordingly to the characters. This is okay, from here to here, these are based on the characters in the game. So this is Paimon. Okay, this is Ether, this is Lumin, and this is the Hilicho. Okay, so this is for Mondstadt characters, this is for Liyue characters, these are for the Fatui, there's only child, and this is for Inazuma. Okay, so you can also search by the other categories, which are, this is the lucky bag, the Fukubukuro. Okay, these are mostly the figures and yeah, I think plushies, I'm not sure, yeah, should be. And these are the more like the digital goods that you can find, like the mouse pad, you know, there's a keyboard and stuff like that. So you can explore the categories of products they have based on this listing. Okay, so this is going back to the home page. Okay, and these are you don't really need to care about this. This is just about the delivery, and this is about the items notice. Okay, so you will see the carousel here, showcasing all the new items that are coming up, or for either pre-order or for purchase. Okay, so as you scroll down, you can see the other items that they have. So like for this cutting figurine, you can see the price here, and you see that they are able to allow immediate pre-order. Okay, so this word means now, and this word means pre-order, so pre-order now. Okay, and this is the lucky bag, the Fukubukuro. So if you spend the certain amount, you can be entitled to get any one of these products. Okay, and this is the key case, I guess, for the figurine. Yeah, and so this, right, you can see that they write buy now. So this word is now, right, and this word is buy, so buy now, whereas this one is now and pre-order. So pre-order now, buy now. Okay, so once you have decided what you want to purchase, you click on the item. It'll take you to the page where you can see the item listing in detail. So you'll be able to see the price, and it's in yuan, so you need to convert it to your own currency, and you do not need to care about the shipping yet. The shipping will be calculated on checkout. So once you've decided and you've read through the product descriptions and you like it, you click add to cart. Okay, so if you haven't logged in or haven't registered for an account, once you click add to cart, right, it will pop up this page telling you to log in or register. So for first time users, you have to create an account, so you can click here, free registration. Okay, so once you're here, you can key your mobile number and you will get a verification code to register via your mobile phone number. But I think it's better for you to also register by the email address, like an official account with your email address. So you click on that and you get to this page. So you have to choose a username. Okay, so this is your email address, this is your mobile phone number. You have to choose the country code. Okay, and this is your password. So once you've done and agreed to the terms and conditions, you click register and your Taobao account is created. Okay, so once you've done created, you will see like a congrats, your account has been created. Okay, so once you've created the account, you log back in and you can start adding items to your cart again and checking out. Remember to double check pre-order items, like when they will be delivered. So some of them have the date stated right here, estimated October that they will deliver. So please remember to check before you order, because sometimes if you expect the item to arrive very quickly, but it will only be dispatched on a certain month, so you need to check before you place the order. Okay, so now I will go to my cart. Okay, so I'm going to pretend I'm buying something. Okay, so I'm here at this page. Okay, I will, let's say, order. I really wanted to order the mouse pad. Okay, especially this one of the Liyue Harbor. So I'm going to place an order and demonstrate to you how to go about checking out. Okay, so first of all, you click the design you want and then you check out, add to cart. Okay, then you say successfully added. So you go up to the top of this page. Okay, and you see that, oh, my cart has already 2 items. So I go there, click it, and you will notice that I already have these 2 items in my cart. Okay, so I have the mousepad and the what's this light? Yeah, this slime. Okay, so you have to check all. Okay, check all, and then go to checkout. So the moment you click checkout, it will pop up this window saying where to deliver your items to. So this is the place where you have to key in your address. Okay, so you have to change the first one from China. Okay, change it to the country you are from. So I'm from Singapore, so I will click here. There's Malaysia, this is Australia, okay, this is New Zealand, America, Canada, and Japan. Okay, and Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan. So let's say you are from the States and you click America. Okay, and you click confirm. So they will ask you for the specifics of your address. So if you are living in the States or Australia, you will get to see you have to choose the state and city, okay, where you're from, and then you key in here the detail, under detail, the exact address, postal address, okay, the delivery address, and then your postcode, and this is your username. It's just a name for you to receive the items, okay, the recipient, okay. And once you're done, you click, you input your mobile phone number, and then you save. So once you saved your delivery address, it will appear in this box on top, okay. So now you need to choose your delivery method, okay. So there's this by sea, this is by air, and this is your own means of delivering, okay. So once you choose by air, you scroll down, you can see the items that you have ordered, okay. Then if you notice here, there's this discount you can use, which is the anniversary discount, okay. So basically they have covered some of the continental freight charges from the anniversary, okay. So this if you choose this, it means do not use any discount, you will have to pay about 7 to 10 yuan more, okay. So you keep this discount on, and you will be able to pay nothing because it's covered, okay, by the anniversary. So once you're done, you scroll all the way down, and then you click checkout. I'm not going to show you because my details are there, so you can check out, and it will go to the page where you have to key in your payment details, which is your credit card or your debit card, okay. I recommend ordering from TMall because they offer the most comprehensive range of official Genshin Impact merch from MiHoYo, okay. So if you order from here, you will also get to save a lot compared to some of the other sites that I will be sharing in a couple of moments. So here you really get the basic price that is quoted from China. So I mean, you can always compare prices yourself because different currency, you know, might have different rates, but from my understanding, this is the most affordable place to order your products from. So if Taobao doesn't ship to your country, you can consider some of the other options available. There's this site called Genshin.shop that retails both official merch, okay, and unofficial fan merch. So if you go to this site, you will be able to navigate much easier. You can see the official merch, but they probably don't have the widest range of items as compared to Taobao, because I noticed that they don't have some of the items like the shikishi and I think the figurines. Yeah, I'm not sure. So you can consider ordering. These are the basic items that most people will buy, the keychains, the standees. So if you want, you can try exploring this site, but it will be slightly more expensive. I ordered a t-shirt from this site, so I paid like, I think, quite a lot more, but I think that their shipping, you know, they have worldwide free shipping over $20, so I think that's quite worth it, you know. If you buy a lot, it's quite affordable, so you can consider this site. If you are in Southeast Asia, you can go to Hakken. I think this website is an official anime merchant that sells all the official products, but most of them are pre-order also. So they will most likely order from Taobao, from China directly. So you can explore the site, and they ship to Malaysia and I think some other countries in Southeast Asia. There is a physical store in Singapore, so I might pay a trip to it someday, but I think that most of the items are pre-order anyway, so I feel like these days I don't go out so often, so I prefer to order everything online. So the best thing about shopping here is you get to see all the items in one page. You know, you don't have to click like from here and there like the Taobao website. So here you can see, like, you just scroll down, you can see everything that they have, and this is quite comprehensive, I would say. Yes. So if you are in Singapore and Southeast Asia, you can consider buying from Hakken. Okay, last but not least, I want to share this site called Aitai Kuji, which is a small company based in Tokyo, Japan, that sells Genshin Impact merch. Okay, these are official merch, but they are mostly not from MiHoYo, so you can't find these designs or this merchandise in Taobao, okay, because these are created exclusively through collaborations between Genshin Impact and some of the other companies like Sweet Paradise, and some of the gaming companies like Sega and Bushiroad, okay? So Bushiroad and all the gacha companies also. So if you are interested in the designs here, you can visit this site for more information, and it is in English, so it's quite easy to navigate. You can also check out shipping info here. They mostly ship from Japan, but due to COVID, there are of course delays, so please expect delays on top of the pre-order time you need to wait for, okay? Mostly by Japan Post, DHL and FedEx. You can go to FAQ for other help and information. So that's about it for the official Genshin Impact merch you can purchase, okay? So I hope this has been useful to you, and if you need any help with navigating the Taobao website, you can always leave a comment below. I will try to help address any of your queries, okay? And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, okay, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. As usual, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.